Hey, how's everyone doing? It's Chris. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think I picked my favorite spot to film these types of videos. We'll put some LED lights behind me. We'll make that cozy vibe for the future videos. So yeah, once again got some positive feedback after my last video. So again, we'll leave it in the description. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. So today we have a fun topic, and yeah, I will try to keep it light, simple, straight to the point, not waste any time. And yeah, today we are talking about 3 major mistakes I see traders make. So the first major mistake I see traders make is the broken mentality of thinking that the more you work, the more you sit in front of the charts, the more you trade, the more you earn. This one comes with that Gary hustle mindset. Yeah, record 10 TikToks, learn to spin on your head, have 52 meetings, and I don't know, learn how to flip real estate in one day. But to be completely honest, this kind of mindset, this hustle mindset, it works when it comes to learning to trade. It's a completely different game, learning to trade and actually trading. So when you're learning to trade, of course you will have to spend tons of time backtesting, I don't know, developing your plan, studying the markets, watching content, all of that. But yeah, as I mentioned, it's a completely different thing to learn to trade and to live trade. So it's like when you are learning to trade, the more you do, the better. Of course, you have to, yeah, you will burn out if you, for example, jump on all kinds of content, etc. We will talk about this kind of mistake later. But yeah, you can't just dive into everything. Of course, you have to have structure on how you learn, where you start, where you finish, all of that. You have to basically have a routine. But yeah, what comes to live trading, well, live trading is more like fishing. You have to literally wake up on time to catch it. You have to prepare your fishing rod and all of the other tools. And yeah, that's where you do your analysis, and after that you sit back and wait. So just really know the difference between learning to trade and actually trading, because those itchy fingers to always test something, change something, etc., take bad setups, it will lead to emotional mistakes, it will lead to over trading, and that's very dangerous. So the easiest cure to that, know when you're trading and when you're learning. Don't mix those two. Okay, so let's now jump to the next one. And yeah, the second mistake is biting more than you can chew. And yeah, what I simply mean by that is, don't be that waiter who, yeah, tries to carry 6 plates on the first day, and we usually know how it ends. Yes, I completely understand that you want to have everything here and now. I've been in that place as well. Yeah, trust me, taking more than you can carry will literally set you back, and yeah, it will leave you in a place of frustration and anxiety. So just stop trying to learn 4 strategies at a time. Stop trying to understand how to trade 3 different assets at a time. It's like literally trying to build a castle in one day. And yeah, I like to think that almost nothing is impossible on this earth, but yeah, it's very close to that. So you want to move fast and learn fast, you have to do the complete opposite of what your mind says. So you literally have to slow it down, you have to prepare a plan, and for example, for the next month, I will literally study nothing but just the higher time frames, like weekly and daily. Gather screenshots, watch content, take tons of notes, etc., and just focus on that one thing. So just please trust me on that taking it slow is the fastest way to learn and the fastest way to grow. If you take every single thing at once, it will be a huge mess in your head. It will literally set you back, and it will be just a mix of information. It's impossible to grow from that. A quick example would be, let's imagine you have 10,000 bricks in front of you. You literally wouldn't know where to start and what to do with them. But let's now imagine that you have a blank space and you get 1 brick a day. You literally have 24 hours to think where and how you can place that brick. And that's exactly how you need to deal with that house of information. When there's tons of content in front of you, you take one, you study it, you spend some time basically letting it marinate in your head, etc. That's how you grow, that's how you learn, and that's how that information sticks. And the last one, the third mistake, which sounds the most simple, but trust me, it's the most critical one. Yeah, stop comparing yourself to others. So I think we are all guilty of this one in some kind of form. And yeah, if you are not aware of your current situation, yeah, it will leave you depressed and anxious if you just keep on comparing yourself to other traders, to more successful traders who are literally 30 levels above you. Yeah, that's not where you want to be as a learning trader. As a trader, you want to feel confident, you want to feel good about yourself, and yeah, if you just dive into that content of Lambos, mansions and all of that, to traders who literally been there where you are right now, but they are like 20 levels above you for a reason. They did their work, they spend their time in front of the charts, etc. But if you really like to consume this type of content, just draw a clear line and see it as destination. Have a really clear line between destination and your current situation. Just simply look at it as a place where you are currently going. Look at it as your destination, as your motivation, and yeah, that's how you not going to feel literally just depressed after, let's say you lost a couple of trades that day, and you, for example, yeah, watch some kind of a video, dudes driving a Lambo, etc., who's literally been in your shoes, who's literally 20 levels above you, who's already done the work, who's already went through all the barriers, etc., of this journey. You can't compare those two things. You can't compare your current situation with someone who's been working for, I don't know, 6 years, 7 years, etc., saving money, growing that capital and all of that. So just please have understanding of where you are right now. Be just brutally honest with yourself. Have a clear goal, have a clear destination, and that's when this kind of content is okay. That's when it's okay to consume this type of content. But if you are looking at it and you feel depressed because you are not already there, that's literally the place where you don't want to be, and from a place of anxiety, from a place of frustration, emotional mistakes will start to creep in more and more and more. And if you are right now in a losing streak, watch every single thing that you are doing currently. The videos you are watching, the thoughts that crosses your head, literally everything. And trust me, when everything piles up, when you don't feel like yourself, when you don't feel confident in your trading plan, when you don't feel confident in your abilities, in your skills, etc., that's when you start making those mistakes, and that's literally exactly how you just jump on that downtrend. So don't do that. So that is that, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I would really appreciate you if you could like this video, share it with someone who you think need to see this, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Take care.